Hello dear students, here is Imanat. Today I'm gonna talk about reading. I'm sharing my experience about reading. It's unit 2 of book 2. So this the topic of the reading, how do color affect the way we feel, because the color affect our feeling and emotion, and also color express different meaning in different cultures and society. So you have to give your opinion first. So answer some questions. How do the colors affect you? So what's your favorite color? Why do you like it? You think about it and answer to your teacher when you have online session. Imagine that you walk into a room that has yellow walls. How does that color make you feel? Okay, for example, yellow walls room, how will you feel? Maybe some people will feel good, great, and some people will feel it annoying, or it depends upon the person's own thinking or their choices. So then question 3 is, look at the photo. How do color of these houses affect the this town? Yeah, oh, it's amazing. It looks amazing to me. Different colors, all black, blue, green, white, yellow, yeah, gray, orange, yeah, different colors. This picture is amazing. So you have to think in how do these colors affect this town. Then we have, as you know, we have Q. For each Q classroom we have questions, so you have to listen this audio and answer these questions. After listening this, you can listen and also answer it when you have online sessions. You can answer to your teacher. So let's listen.
Unit 2, Psychology, the Q Classroom.
The Unit 2 question is, how do colors affect the way we feel? Imagine you can paint your bedroom any color. What color do you choose? And why? Marcus?
I like bright colors. My house back home has a lot of bright colors, and I always feel comfortable in a place that reminds me of home.
How about you, Sophie? How do bright colors affect the way you feel?
I don't like bright colors in a house. I like colors that help me relax, like burgundy and dark blue and gold. Not on walls, maybe, but on furniture and carpets. Those are relaxing colors to me.
How about you, Una? What colors do you like in your bedroom?
I like white. It's peaceful.
What do you say, Felix? How do colors affect the way we feel?
Well, I think your culture's opinion about colors can affect the way you feel. You know, I don't want my room to be pink because to me, it's a girl's color. But that's just something I learned when I was growing up. It's probably different for people from other cultures.
Yes, so colors are different in different cultures. The student, someone like bright color, someone like blue color. So you have to, what color did the student mention? How do the colors make the student feel? And the next question, what color would you like to paint your room? Yeah, this is also an important question. You have to answer which color you like to paint your home, your room. So you have to answer why do you like it. Maybe it's comfortable to you, or it's soothing to you. Okay, then we have to go to the next page. Here we have how colors make us think and feel. How do we feel and think about the colors? So here we have vocabulary. Here what do we need to do? Here are the words, underlined words, and we have to match these underlined words here with the meaning. Yes, A, B, C, D, E. So you have to read the word and first in the context in the line, and then match it with the definition. For example, the weather can affect us when it is very hot. Many people feel irritable. Yeah, so effect here, you have to choose verb to be a picture example, no, to make someone or something change in a particular way, to influence, yeah, it might be this one, influence or make someone change, so this one is matching with it. So you have to read the word like culture. Culture means the style of living of people, emotion, feelings, sentiments. Yes, psychology, study of feeling and emotion. Specific means something particular. Then we have represent mean to show, to exhibit. Unaware doesn't have any information. Universal mean international. So you have to read these words and match with the definition. When you finish it, yes, then you have to you can stop this video and then you solve this exercise. So yeah, then you can move it to exercise C. The exercise C, here there are some question. For question you have to go to page 29, mean next page. This is page 27. You have to go to next page. There is a color chart, yeah, this one. Here you have to see this, how many colors have been used here and what does it expresses, yeah. So you have to read it and answer the question, how many sections are there, which section is painting on page 1 related to which section do you think will discuss different countries. Yeah, you have to guess, yani assume and answer these questions. Then after finishing this you have to go to this article, reading article about the colors, how colors make us feel. So you have to read this article. Colors affect everyone. Yes, affect the emotions. Universal meaning, represent different things, different colors. For example, green, black, blue, white, they have different meaning. Colors for health mean in the hospital, clinics, different colors are used. Cultural meaning, so different in different cultures, different color expresses different meaning. Color psychology also, the mean how the color affect the thinking, feeling and emotion. Yes, then after finishing this you have to move to exercise B. Here write, it's here T for true and F for false. Yeah, read these lines. Most of us are unaware of how color affect. It might be true or false, if it depends upon the writer. Here the article you will read on page 29. When you finish it, write it for true, F for false, and show it to your teacher during the online session. After that you have to move to exercise C. Write what each color represent according to the article, yani passage, paragraph or essay. Yeah, that you have read on previous page. You have to blue express air, what else it expresses, green, yeah. You have to write three or four example for each, yeah. White, yellow, all color describe what. And after that you have to use the word to write sentence, use information from the reading, yeah. For example, white color, what does it show in United States? Ancient Greek color, ancient Egypt color, Japan white, United States green. Mean what does this color, for example green, what does it represent or show in, it means in United States. Green meaning means in China, and same is the case. You complete this exercise. After that you have to move to exercise E. Here exercise E, you have to read each section of the article, write the main idea, yeah. You have to uh, for example, color affect everyone although we may be unaware of it. Colors can affect us and have different meaning. So you have to choose the different phrases from here, and you can go to reading and write the main idea. Universal meaning of the color, colors in health, cultural meaning. Yes, you have to take the ideas from the reading on the page 29. After that when you finish it, now it's you can write about it or Yeah, this is mean production of ideas. Now whatever you learn, you have to write. So write the ideas. After that, we'll move to next page, reading skill. Here, getting meaning from context. As you know, context, sometime it happens that we are reading a paragraph, an article, a passage, so we don't know the meaning of the word, so we guess the meaning in a specific context. So sometimes one word describe different meaning. For example, here it is show feeling. Feeling mean warmth, comfort, or anger. So these are the feeling. So you have to read these sentences and circle the word that gives the context for the bold word in each sentence. For example, here heal. Ancient culture in China, Egypt, and India used colors to heal. Heal. So what does heal relation in a context with other words? Sickness. Yes, use blue to decrease pain. Yeah. So have context in so word bold word, it has a similar meaning or in the sentence. So you have to write it. Yes. Then when you finish it, move to exercise B. Write a definition for each word from activity A. Feeling. For example, what are the feelings? And check your answer definition in your dictionary. So you have you can use dictionary and first write definition. Feeling, heal. Yes, heal, cure of the wound or disease. Bride, a woman. Yes, on a specific day, like royalty from royal. Yeah, so you have to write the definition of these words. This is reading one. Yes, I hope you have found it helpful. Then we'll move to reading 2, the importance of color in business. So importance of colors, as you know, different companies, business companies use different colors for business, so for to express different meaning. Here we have underlined words and the meaning are given A, B and C. You have to choose which is the best meaning of the. For example, advertising mean, like you see every day a lot of advertising on social media, in the street. Yes, everywhere advertising mean the offers. Yeah, so something like, so consider, the word consider mean to, yes, consider when you acknowledge something or consider. Then we have a dependable means you depend on other, or you believe in other, or you rely on someone. So you have encourage mean, yeah, to appreciate or to support or something like. So meaning environment mean the place we are living in. And then we have the word establish, organize or manage. Yeah, so similar meaning. Then service, yes, service of the hotel. Variety mean different kinds of something. Okay, you have to read these words in context and then match with its meaning. Yeah, then we have to move to next page. Here is reading paragraph, importance of colors, importance of color in business. So different companies, as you see every day, McDonald's, KFC, you have Burger King, you have Subway, different food or fast food companies, they use different colors. And also electronics, they use different colors. Computer companies, so they use different colors. Yes, so you when you read it in the all this paragraph, all this article, and then you have to move to exercise. Check the main idea. Yeah, you have to read 1 2 3 4 and check which one is the main idea. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, whatsoever. You have to read and choose. Yes. Then we have complete the chart with information from the article. Okay, for example, McDonald company, red and yellow, feeling that colors give bright and cheerful. What is another company described in the article? Company color, dependable, peaceful and powerful. Then another company and BP and like. You have to complete this chart from the after reading the article. Write one or two sentences to describe each company, its color and meaning. Yeah, for example, McDonald use red and yellow, they are bright, and you have to use a complete sentence. Yes. UPS uses which color and what does it expresses computer companies from here. For example, here, yeah, the IBM. Yes, UPS is a big delivery company. Which color? Brown. Yes, was a good color and something. You have to read it and fill in these blanks. Then we'll move to exercise E. Complete each statement with a word from the box. Use the context in the reading. For example, red, yellow, and green are example of red, yellow, green. Cheerful, positive, productive, reliable. Respond. Might be cheerful colors. UPS wants custom to see them as dependable company. In other words, customer should think UPS is okay. Cheerful, positive, product, reliable. Respond. So you have to choose according to your knowledge. Yeah, and show it to your teacher on in the online session this exercise. Yes. Now here write what you think. Choose three companies from reading to the note color. The color or color that each company uses. Do you think that the color used this influence how you think of them? Do they influence the same way? Influence you? Okay, you can answer these questions. Then we have think about reading 1 and 2. You discuss these questions, then choose one question and write response. Yeah, for example, question and write your response. When you finish it, move to vocabulary skills. Vocabulary, here we have suffix. Suffix mean writing mean at the end of, yeah, common suffix, morpheme or smallest meaningful unit and writer. For example, here is the word, at the end we write at the end of the word. For example, beauty, full, color, full, depend, able, full, able. Yeah, here for colorful, here meant, experiment, full. Yeah, these are the suffixes add at the end of the word. Why do you can use these suffixes? Suffixes change the form of the word. Form mean, for example, if the word is adjective, yes, change the category of the word. If it is noun, it become adjective. For example, cheer, cheerful. Education, noun. Educational, adjective. Nation, noun. National, adjective. So noun to adjective, it change the category. Sometime biology, noun, biological. Finance, financial. So here you have to read this exercise A and write N if it is noun, ADJ adjective if it is adjective. For example, first one is noun, care, careful, it is adjective, so you write ADJ. So you have to read all the sentences and write N for nouns and ADJ adjective, ADJ for adjective, and then you have to show these exercises and share it with your teacher during the online class. Then we are moving forward. Yeah, here is a table, so you have to change nouns to adjective. Addition, additional. Emotion, emotional. Nature, what do you write here? Okay, be careful about spelling. Peaceful is adjective, so what is the noun? Personal is adjective, what will be the noun? Right here. Yes, here this one is activity B, additional, emotional, nature, like something. Okay, you have to read these lions and fill in the blanks. I like that. Yeah, many people don't like running because they think it's difficult, but I really enjoy it. I usually run in a beautiful park near my house. There are a lot of trees and birds in the park. I like running there because yeah, I like nature. Yeah, so the park is far away from. You have to fill in these blanks from the word here from this chart. That is all for reading this unit 2. Thank you so much for your uh, time, and I hope you enjoyed it.